Welcome to my video on prompt engineering. In this video, I will be talking about what prompt engineering is and why learning prompt engineering is important. Prompt engineering is the process of writing, refining, and improvising requests given to generative AI systems. The goal is to get the system to create specific and high quality outputs. Prompt engineering can be used with different types of generative AI models and tools such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Microsoft Copilot. It is like giving the generative AI model a clear set of instructions, examples, and feedback. This helps the model understand what you want it to do and how to improve its performance. Let us review some simple examples. To generate a poem using ChatGPT, you would write the following prompt: generate a poem about a cat. The model would then use the prompt to generate a poem about a cat. To generate an image of a cat using Google AI, you would write a prompt like this: generate a photo of a cat. The model would then use the prompt to generate the photo of a cat. To generate a Python code to print 10 numbers, write a prompt like this: generate Python code to print 10 numbers. The model would then use the prompt to generate a program. The instructions we give to the generative AI models are called prompts. A prompt is a natural language text instruction that you give to the generative AI model. Depending on the task you are trying to achieve with the generative AI model, you can write the instructions as simple as we saw in the examples, or it can be very detailed and creative. When writing the instructions, imagine that you are giving instructions to a high schooler who does not know how to do something. So prompt engineering is the process of directing the generative AI model to produce the desired results. It requires clear and detailed instructions to create high quality and relevant output. In prompt engineering, you choose the most appropriate formats, phrases, words, and symbols to guide the AI interactions. Prompt engineering is a skill. If you want to work with generative AI models, you need to understand prompt engineering. Generative AI models are capable of creating new things, including text, images, video, sound, and software code. If you are unfamiliar with generative AI, check out the video on generative AI, and the link is available in the video description. So why is it important to learn prompt engineering? Generative AI is becoming more common in our lives, and it will continue to grow. It will be like using Google search today, but we will use AI models to make our work more efficient. So being able to communicate with generative AI tools is becoming essentials for everyone who wants to use AI efficiently. Today, there are a handful of tools available to communicate with generative AI models, such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Microsoft Copilot. Many existing softwares and web tools are beginning to incorporate generative AI capabilities. For example, Google Docs has Help Me Write feature. Microsoft Visual Studio has GitHub Copilot, and Microsoft Word has Copilot. Even the Windows Paint application includes a co-creator feature which can help you to generate images. You will see that more and more software and web tools are incorporating AI capabilities. So prompt engineering is a crucial part of using AI tools. If you want to use AI capabilities, you need to know how to write good prompts. By understanding how to write a good prompt, you can control the output of the model and make it do what you want. Generative AI tools will become part of our everyday life. How much you need to know about prompt engineering depends on your work. For example, these tools can help you write simple tasks like writing emails, and they can be used in many fields such as drug discovery, material science and engineering, creative content generation, language translation and communication, and marketing campaigns. If you are a software engineer, you will need to know a lot more about prompt engineering than if you are just an average user of AI system. If you are interested in working with generative AI models, you need to have a good understanding of prompt engineering. The more you know about it, the more you will be able to get out of the AI systems. I will be creating more videos on prompt engineering. If you would like to get notified when they are released, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.